What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we just drove back from our long summer trip. Be sure to go check out the highlights video of that. But now we're back home here, and this is day 3 of rebuilding the backyard bike park here. And as you can see, while we're gone, we're building a pool here. And so they actually left me like a ton of dirt to build with. So I actually think we're kind of gonna wreck all this and then hopefully build kind of like a big pump track through the whole outer. And then hopefully as we get further along, maybe some like trails down the middle here once we clear out this dirt, and then some other trails down in here. So yeah, we're gonna start like kind of planning this out and kind of clearing basically everything out. So let's jump right into a time lapse. Alright, so I think that's where we're gonna wrap up day 3 of rebuilding the backyard bike park here. Yeah, pretty happy with what we got done. Clearing out this first section for the pump track. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting on this section because I think I'm gonna put like a drainage pipe right through here, because I've noticed like when this used to be a trail, this would all kind of get like messy and stuff. So we're gonna wait on that. That'll be coming next episode, hopefully. And then we'll keep just clearing out all the way around the dirt pile. We'll probably use a little of this dirt to fill this in also. And then we can start adding some like rollers and burns and jumps and stuff to this. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.